Hey everybody, guess what day it is? Rudimental Wednesday. Today's rudiment is going to be the double drag tap. So let's get into it. Okay, the double drag tap. This is actually a fairly simple rudiment because all it is two drags followed by an accented note, like so. Okay? So let's start this from the beginning. I don't want you to put the drags on it yet. We're just going to go with the sticking at the moment. It's 3 notes, kind of like a triplet. It's 3 notes. The first 2 we want to keep down, and it's one-handed. So in my case, if I start right-handed, it would be right, right, followed by your accented note, which would be your left hand. So let's get comfortable with that. Right, right, left, and then you switch it to the left side. Left, left, right. Now you want to make these very even, so play along with me on this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right, right, left, 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 right, 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 left, 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 right. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, when you're comfortable with that sticking, let's add the drags. And the drags are only the first two strokes of this. So, goes like this. Right, right, left, 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 right, 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 left, 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 right. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And there you have it, the double drag tap. All right, everybody, I hope you found that informative. Wasn't a long video, pretty straightforward. This can be a little tricky, so you want to take your time making sure that it's even. Get your drags together. Momentarily, we're going to go right over here and you're going to see my drag videos. So pick the drag video, learn the drag. And until the next time, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the bell icon, share the video if you like, and hopefully you check out some more of my videos. Until the next time, folks, take care, and we'll see you later.